Hey fashionistas, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark we are making beautiful paper turquoise beads from magazines. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some paper turquoise beads. If you cut the strips a little bit wider, they make a bigger bead. I used 28 beads for this particular necklace. Rolling your beads one at a time gives you more control over how they look. In case you didn't know, this shape of bead is called a rondelle. Just a quick reminder to leave a comment and say hello. I love hearing from you. I always make these paper beads when I'm watching an old movie because it's a great way to pass the time. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Bling and I will see you next week. Bye.